Hey everybody, I got a question just last night on my YouTube channel of when I'm going to come out with the part 3 of the laser perimeter alarm. The problem is I built a circuit. I'm not sure where it's at right now. It's here somewhere. I built a circuit, but the circuit didn't work. And I used one of these Radio Shack, I think I got, yeah, right here, Radio Shack printed circuit boards, and they're just basically set up so you can build a little circuit, just a few bucks. But the circuit didn't work. The variable resistor was overheating, potentiometer, and it was just some circuit I found online. So I need to find another circuit, but I don't want to solder up a whole nother circuit again just to find out it doesn't work. So my friend, you guys know him as Trollforge, I'll put that in the video there. You guys know him as Trollforge. He's sending me what they call a proto-board or a breadboard. Proto-board being prototype board, and you just plug in your your capacitors, resistors. You just plug them into the board, and if it doesn't work, you can just pull them back out of the holes and build another circuit. So it's way better than trying to solder something up. A lot better. Because, you solder up a circuit and it doesn't work, then what? You unsolder it and rebuild another circuit. This you can just plug and play, basically. So I had to go to Lexington today anyway to check my P.O. box. So I figured, since I was checking my P.O. box, that I would pick up these boxes of electronics that I have. Wrap this up and I'll show you. And this is not even, this is like maybe 10% of what I have as far as electronics. Maybe 15 at most. Okay, we can go in here. Capacitors, gears, zip tie mounts. Got a bunch of switches over here. Transistors. Got NPN and PNP. Phone stuff. Looks like switches. Fuses. Another potentiometer in there. A little motor. Capacitors. These are switches. Little micro switches. A little fan. Scan over. That's just connections. All kinds of micro switches again. Another little motor connection. That's an old marble. 9-volt battery connectors. I got a little chain there. The little universal joint. I got more of them somewhere. Oh, there's some. Yeah, I'm sorry. Smaller ones. Universal joints, roll pins. Okay, we go over to this box. We got micro switches. There's some LEDs down there. I'm not sure what's in that box. Maybe a memory card. More LEDs. Micro switches and stuff. There's some more resistors. Them should go over here in the next box. Solder. From a soldering iron. Or soldering irons. I got 2 of them. Yeah, there's some more solder in there. Some fuses. Phone connectors. Or not phone, but Ethernet card. I'm sorry. Ethernet cable connectors. I've got 2 of those tools actually. These resistors can go over in here. I'm not sure where I should put them, but resistors, wire nuts, lock line from I don't know who knows where. These are all like butt connectors and spade terminals and ring terminals. It's a heat shrink butt connector, ring terminal, more terminals, just miscellaneous junk, some more fuses, strain reliefs, and then I have my other, for my other project, another potentiometer. More transistors, and then the resistor pack I bought, another pack because I couldn't make it to Lexington to get those. So I bought these, and I bought these because I couldn't make it Lexington to get those transistors that I already had. And same for the capacitors. More capacitors. So these are the things I already had in storage, and these are the things that I bought. I'm trying to do this laser perimeter alarm, but it's just to try and solder a whole circuit together and find out that it doesn't work. You know, that just that's a lot of hours of work for nothing. So like I said, my friend Trollforge is going to send me a proto-board, breadboard some people know it as, and it will be here soon, and then I will get back to my laser perimeter alarm. It's just, that's what I got to do. So it's not like I don't have the materials. I have plenty, but I just need, you know, that proto-board. And it was with losing my other job and getting the new job, I didn't really have the money to go out and buy one right now, you know. I just really didn't. I had to borrow $250 off a friend just to pay for a week to get back in this motel until I got my first paycheck. And I'm glad to have a friend like that. Steve is a very good friend, and you know, he's a friend from my old job, and he offered to give me $500, and I said no, man, just give me a week's rent. So I'll be paying that back to him very quick, because I got 7 hours overtime this week. So it's just, everything's working out for me. Works out in the end. You just got to be patient.